Very pretty, guys, very cute. And of course, the unit is glueless. It's like really on my hand, like look at that. Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. Shout out to 𝐻𝐿_African for sponsoring today's video. So 𝐻𝐿_African has one of the best cap constructions on the market. Their units from that company are already ready to go, guys. They're wear and go type of units. So same day install theme is for today, guys. This is going to be a very simple video. So this new Hollywood curl unit that they have right here is their largest cap construction. This is a 9x6 cap construction, guys. It comes with your standard combs. 2 combs on the side and 1 large comb in the back. Now this cap is actually much different than what you've seen on the market recently. This unit does have that adjuster in the back to make this unit very, very secure. So there is no adjustable strap or adjustable hooks on this unit whatsoever. You're just using this little strap right here to get this unit to be nice and secure. So this is gonna be a very easy install, guys. So this unit is 22 inches long. You guys can see that beautiful curl pattern. Look how pretty that hair is. It is 22 inches long and this is 250% density. You guys can see that this density, this bounce, everything about this is true to what is described. So this hair is very, very nice, guys. It does come pre-bleached, pre-plucked for you guys, so you don't have to do any of that. That's why I love 𝐻𝐿_African. All their units are complete units. So if you don't know what you're doing, it's a beginner-friendly company, guys. It comes to you pre-styled. Everything's done for you. You just gotta install the wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and coat the lace of this one just to match my skin tone, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this unit on, guys. Like I said, today's video is gonna be very, very simple. This is 9x6. We're gonna do a little bit of styling to it, add a little bit of product to it, and kind of see the overall fit. If I didn't mention, they also did go ahead and make sure they specialize the air tab area or the air area, so it's kind of like more curved shape so it can fit your ears. So that's one thing that they actually really worked on this cap construction, to make sure that it fits glueless and it also goes around your ear. So they did like a little bit of like a C-shaped form with a little bit of soft reinforcement on it so it doesn't bother your ears at all. So just wanted to point that out for you guys. So you already know the routine. I'm gonna pop this unit off and put this unit on. That little strap, honey, amazing. So the wig fits my head to the T. Like it looks really good. Like I'm actually really shocked. Like it's like really on my head. Like look at that. It's like on my head, honey. Like flat. Y'all see how flat that is? That 9x6 is flat, honey. Okay. So I am gonna go ahead and trim some of that baby and some of that extra edge off. It's really, they did a good job, but I feel like here I could just go ahead and trim a little bit closer to the hairline on this side. But you guys can see how buttery soft those the hairline is. They pre-plucked this one to the T, baby. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead with my scissors and just cut this up. You guys can kind of see what I mean. I don't really do it on camera that well, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it off camera. But beautiful, like fresh. So what I'm gonna do after that is just cut that off, and then we're gonna go ahead and style the unit, because I feel like styling is definitely gonna do justice to this. I'm gonna keep it in the middle part style because I feel like the middle part looks good, and I could already see what type of curls it's gonna give. It's gonna give like that really naturally bouncy type of curl pattern. So I figured, why not go ahead and just emphasize it and leave it like that. Again, you can do baby hairs if you want to, but I don't foresee that happening with this one. I think it'll look cute, but like it'll just take away from the curls, and I don't want to take away from the styling of the hair, the actual curl of the hair. So I'm gonna see what it's giving, because I feel like it looks, look at that hairline is gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little spritz on it, just right that around the sides where I kind of got it down. I hate when it gets on my forehead, but it is what it is. So just add a little bit of spritz. Oh, my nail fell off. So I got my nail back on, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of some curl enhancing smoothie from Shea Moisture, and I'm gonna put a little bit of this in my hand and put it on the hair. The hair is not overly saturated, but you guys can see this is what the curls look like once you wet them up. But I want to go ahead and let this air dry out so that we can see like the final look of it. I'm gonna add this product towards the ends of the hair, guys, and kind of like around it. At the base, I'm gonna add a little bit of mousse, because mousse would do look better for the roots to kind of really, you know, get the roots to activate the curl pattern. So but for now, I'm gonna go ahead and put this product all over the hair. You guys can see, look at that. And then we're gonna brush that through. So then what I'm gonna do obviously is just let this air dry for about like 35 minutes. And then once the air dries, you guys will see the final look. This unit is pretty. Again, it was unnecessary for me to do baby hairs just because, look at that hairline. That hairline is gorgeous. So it's really no point. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Make sure I get underneath here as well too, because that part is very important. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my mousse, and we're gonna use some mousse towards the base of the hair so that we can make sure that that activates the curl pattern so that's not looking all the way flat, if you kind of know what I mean. Y'all get what I mean. So add some mousse to the base. And then we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit mousse underneath here too. Since I'm doing a middle part, we kind of want these curls to stay activated down here as well too, since the hair is gonna be like that. So there's a technique to this to get, you know, the most poppin' look. But very simple. Again, it's wear it and go. So you're really putting this wig on and going about your business. But for styling purposes, you can go out here with it kind of like wet like this, but you guys know that's not my preference. I like my hair to be kind of like tamed and let it air dry because it just looks so good that way. Y'all know what I mean. So just run that product through the back. You want to get the hair in the back too, just to make sure that it is all, you know, saturated. So there you go. So again, the wig fits very secure. It is super glueless. You can lift it up and put it right back down. And it is very, very secure, guys, like secure AF. So I'm gonna stop playing with it. I'm gonna let it air dry and I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I really had no doubts about this unit. I knew this unit was gonna come out nice. As you guys can tell, it is pretty much air dried to a good amount. You guys can see this is the natural wave pattern of this hair. Very pretty, guys, very cute. And of course, the unit is glueless. So I can go ahead and shift this unit up, do whatever I want, and the unit lands back down perfectly. Hopefully this middle part is middle part. And you guys know I never get it right, but the unit is slave to the gods, honey. Like, look at that. Obviously, this is a 9x6. You guys can see it goes from hair to hair. Very, very clean HD hairline, guys. You cannot tell me nothing about this one. I did go ahead and trim back on the lace a little bit on this side just because I felt like there was a little bit lace. But because I'm wearing this in a middle part style, all you really need to show is that good old middle part, guys. That 9x6 is large. Very, very large. It's the largest cap construction on the market. Again, this unit is definitely very, very kind of like different. Definitely one of the first I've kind of seen on the market like this. There is no adjustable strap on this one. There is no adjustable hooks. So you're literally just pulling that string for security, and that is that. And when I tell you guys that this unit is secure, it is secure, guys. Beautiful 22 inches. You guys know when it comes to like a wavy texture, 22 inches is not gonna hit like the middle of your back just because of the shrinkage. But this is a nice 22-inch pattern. The density is 250, which I can say, yes, it is a true 250, guys. And I actually like that just because I like my, you know, my wavy, my curly hair to have like a little bit of oomph to it, especially with this type of texture. You guys can see it is super, super pretty. If you want to go ahead and tuck this behind your ear, you can, guys. You do kind of like a simple style like this. Again, I didn't do baby hairs, but if you want to do baby hairs and jazz it up with baby hairs, you can. But I felt like you don't need to do it with this unit just because it's so pretty. You can go ahead and just kind of like play around with the baby hairs, I mean the hairline and stuff like that to make it look realistic and stuff like that, so you don't have to go ahead and cut sideburns in. But for me, I probably would just wear it in a middle part style, or I'll probably go ahead and switch it to a side part. But I really do like this one, guys. I love how this is just a very simple wig. Like, we didn't really do anything to this install today. All we did was add a little bit of product to it, and that's about it. Let it air dry out, so it just gives a very, very natural appearance, very, very realistic appearance, and low effort. We love a low effort wig nowadays. We just don't have that much time to go ahead and do all this kind of stuff. So let me know your thoughts on this unit, guys. Again, 𝐻𝐿African does it for me. If you're a beginner friendly type of person, you've never worn wigs before and you want to step into wearing wigs, these units come already pre-customized. They always have different styles. They have different curl patterns. They have different like textures. You can also get units that are highlighted from them as well too, blonde units, and everything comes pre-packaged and pre-ready to go, guys. They're where to go wigs, so you really can't mess this up, guys. You're never gonna find something like this that's gonna be this simple. And look at, again, do you guys see that hairline? The hairline is sickening, okay? The hairline is sickening. Like, just wow. Like, you can't make this type of stuff. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, guys. As always, I will leave all the information down below for you guys, including a coupon code, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.